Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to our channel. Hi everyone. Saging na saba. Hello, good morning guys. Hi. Hi. Nakalimutan namin yung telephone.
Hey, you could put it. Oh,
no, I don't
haven't
have
got the thing there.
Yeah, I don't have the thing.
Going out on a Sunday with my beautiful wife.
All right, thank you. Good morning, everyone. Hi. Welcome to our vlog.
We're going for a drive.
It's Sunday morning or afternoon already. We woke up late again. We love to get up late when my husband has no work. During weekend, no work.
Yes, my wife has me chained to the bed.
I'm recharging fully. Full recharge now. 100% battery level. Where are we going, love?
We're going Sabah hunting.
Sabah hunting. Sabah is a banana. You are craving to eat what?
Turong.
Skuday. He's in love with Turon, especially Turon of Ate Helen.
Oh yeah, Ate Helen's.
Our neighbor in Bataan that
She
sells
misses
Turon.
She misses me.
It's not only Turon that she's cooking now, love.
Yeah.
I saw her last time. We had like bilo-bilo, you know, the creamy rice. Creamy rice kind of thing.
What about the bowls?
Yeah, she's always doing that as well. What do you call that? Maruya? Or bochi.
Bochi.
Yeah, bochi. So, takbo lang kami sa Pinoy shop. Malapit lang yon sa St. Mary's. May maliit na Pinoy shop doon where I bought the saba last time, frozen and steamed. Luto na yon. Siyempre, made in the Philippines, tsaka pabalat. Lumpia wrapper. My husband is a little bit Pinoy now. Loves adobo, loves turon, and he loves most bulalo. His favorite is bulalo. Mainit, mainit-init.
And I love my Filipino.
Oops. Igala ko na naman kayo sa daan, guys. Anuhin natin yung camera. Ayan. Inop ng asawa ko yung camera. Oh, ang ganda ng park dyan, oh. You see the park? Oh, there was a time na nag-try kami pumasok dyan. Yung napasukan namin daan, wala mang entrance, no ba yan? Ganda sana mag-walking doon. So, dyan sa, ano no, not yet the T-section road. It's sunny today, which is very good.
Today is the first day of winter.
Yeah. But, it's colder the other day.
Oh, it's good. It start getting more cold though.
I don't like it.
Me neither.
I woke up with backache, my love. Yan, aabot kami dun sa T-section. So, kakanan tayo. Kasi, di naman tayo pupunta ng Penrith. Pupunta tayong St. Mary's. Normally, pag pumunta kami ng gaya kahapon, galing kami dyan sa Penrith Plaza, dyan sa kaliwa, tsaka hospital. Din yung pinaka main yung Westfield Mall. Diyan yan sa kaliwa. There, if you can see. I'll try to zoom in. Ayan o. Left Penrith. And then St. Mary's or Mount Druitt dito sa kanan. Okay. Gaganda ng mga cars dito guys. So, ayan. Volkswagen. Tapos iyan Audi. Tapos iyan. Tapos iyan Toyota.
Hey guys, too, if you're looking for a good deal on a Toyota, you'll go to
Joanne.
To Subic Toyota.
Yeah, in the
And
Philippines.
you'll see Joanne.
Joanne,
She'll give you a good deal.
Yeah, my niece, my nephew's wife is working
You tell her
in
Uncle Ray
Toyota
sent you.
Subic. I'll show you something, guys. Then sa may car wash. There's a car wash here. Eh. There near the Mackey's. There.
Yeah.
Was it here? Yeah, that one. Oh, that car wash. That was my first time I experienced doing car wash. It's prepaid. It will give you allotted minutes to clean your car. Oh my God. Kakamadali ko, nasira ko.
So you had to work hard that day.
Yeah. I wish I made a vlog of that because it was funny. Kasi nagmamadali ka pag ginagamit mo yung tools pang car wash. Kasi pa matcha-charge yung card mo pagkatapos. I'm not sure if it's just 10 minutes or how many minutes.
The more money you put in, the more time. But my wife was slow.
Oh look! Look at the color of the tree in the middle of her. Red. Oh, we're now here in St. Mary's. Oh, there's a pool up here, Malab. Ayun, may kalesa, oh. Is that artillery or what? I saw like a wagon kind of thing.
Yeah.
Was it used during
I don't know.
World
You have
War?
to go read it.
This is a wagon hotel, wagon wheel. Ah, this is known for wagon. Okay. So we're now technically in the main street of St. Mary's, Queen Street. Turning left.
Turning left.
That's Aldi. Aldi is another food shop, shopping center, where you can find cheaper items but good products. Okay. Ayan, kakaliwa. Lapit na tayo sa ano. This is the Queen Street. Dito rin yung ano ko, GP. Yung doktor na pinag-check up ang na banda dyan.
They're open.
They're open. Ayun o. Super Pinoy. Okay, we're not closing the camera. We're parked now. We're in St. Mary's. Okay. Alright. Now we're going. Yeah, no. See, super Pinoy. Oh, ito mo naman. Oh, yun, Pinoy na Pinoy. Oh, there's Walis Tambo. Come on, love. There's Western Union here.
Yeah, see?
Oh, they have. Ayun, buti may isa pa. I just don't know how much was it. You're so lucky today.
What?
We have this one, yeah.
The soba?
Yeah, this one. Naubos na yung
They
sarili.
make the wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, she makes the best.
Yeah. Adik sa turon ito eh.
I got to run.
You'll have to run. Hold it, babe. And I'll get the wrapper.
Is that?
I'm not sure how much is it.
You do.
It's not reading me. Yeah, whatever.
You got the wrapper?
Yeah, I'm trying to. The one that we bought last time, I think, it ran out. Aha, you can't eat turon.
Why?
The wrapper that I bought wasn't here. Oh,
Maybe that's the lady.
I can check up here. Sorry lang po din. This is for spring roll. This is different, my love. How about this? For spring roll as well. How about that? No. It's for noodles. A spring roll, love. They ran out of pabalat. No, love.
That's the lady.
But we have leftover
Yeah,
pabalat.
but that's the lady. They got it.
Nothing, love. This is all that they got.
Yeah, but she might know.
But there's no other piece. Yeah, but we can use that if you would like. I love this. Oh, spring roll as well. Uy, oh babe, they have kamote.
What's that?
It's another kind of sweet potato.
Oh,
Yeah. Can I have this? That one. There's no spring roll up. Better luck next time.
you sure?
Only that one white.
Oh, seven?
It's not spring. It's not wrapper. Let me check. You're pointing this out. This is grated of that. It's great to make cassava cake. So, not a lucky day for you. You can just go back some other time. I will ask the woman. Yung tomato sauce. Nakakabila. Diba parilasa nyo na kesa yung tomato sauce. Hindi ko makuha yung
Lasa ng menudo niya. That's it.
Meron ba silang rina? Oo, meron. How much that, love? How much was it? The one that you're holding. I'll try one. Ay, this is tomato paste. $2. Ooh, sardines. I want to get one sardines, love. Na, love. I want Ligo. Ligo sardines. I ran out of toyo.
Run out of what?
But next time when we buy the wrapper, do they have green?
Doon sila sa may there sa may safe mix. Hospital Simbahan. Asa man ini
Ay, ito na lang.
lady grocery. Okay. Paano man book online. And then you
May buldak.
pwede ka mag-call. Kasama pag unang ko pabunyagan ako mga net mag-diri kay dali. Dagdag pa sa mga kailangan mo mag-seminar. Uy, mag-seminar mo mo? Seminar dahil for one night. How do you one sa bakat pa night man niya ako niya. Sa bakat pa magninong. Adiri, hindi lang pwede isa sa. Yang kuya naman pa. Sarap. Nakapagpilitin na pero dito kayo natin.
Oh, ito na lang.
Good luck, you're back. Sige, This is what Philippines.
I know you're craving for.
Basket.
Magkano na yung saba nyo, te? Ba't alang?
Saba na saging.
Arang rapper na eh.
Rapper? Saba?
Turon.
Lumpia rapper?
Meron, ano yun eh, pang lumpia. Dito pang turon.
Oh, pwede yan.
No, I bought last time different eh. Yung talagang pabalat natin na manipes.
Saan ka kabili?
Dito!
Ay, yung circle.
Oo, yung...
Ganyan yung ginagamit mo?
Oo, yun.
Okay. Ang ginagamit ko kasi yung dito.
Lumpia.
Gusto ko yun.
Pwede pala yun?
Oo.
Yung lumpia wrapper? That can get one of that.
Which one?
The one that I showed you. The lumpia. The one at the right side.
Yun lang. Pero ano mo muna? Kasi frozen.
Oo. Magkano to?
13?
Okay lang.
Maglumpia. Ano ka?
Oo.
Yeah. That one.
How much is it? 20 pieces only, love. Oh.
May ng cheese.
Bakit?
Kasi sa Tagalog dito, pag maggawa.
Nilalagyan mo siyang cheese? Cheddar?
Yes. Oh, mayroon kami dyan. Yan, masarap yan na cheese.
Meron kami cheese whiz. Tsaka mga cheese.
Cheese ba yung, ano ba? Eden cheese? Yan nandyan. Sarap siya. Tapos pwede mo lagyan ng sugar. Hindi ako naglagyan ng sugar. Ano lang, cheese lang at saka.
Ube nilalagyan ko.
Pwede din.
Yung binili ko ube dito. Do you want cassava cake?
No. No, I want turon.
I want to run.
He wants you.
Yeah. Siyempre.
Babalik na lang kami. Naabangan ko yung isang klase nyo na pabalat. Alam mo yun eh, dito. Yung kala mo gawa lang sa palengke, meron kayo nun eh.
Oo. Ay, naubos na. Kasi mayroon ding bumibili dito.
Kasi?
Gusto niya din yun.
Pag ano nga, text mo ako. Pag meron na yun. Meron ako dun ka lang, 8 piraso na lang.
8 piraso? Di ba tumitigas yun pag na ano na? Di ba?
Maalam ko ng technique na.
Anong ginagawa niyo po?
Nasa rep lang yun pag na-open na.
Hindi niya binabalik sa ano?
Hindi na. Maluloko na yun kapag binalik sa we will just check one day.
Ito po, dito.
Okay.
Back number.
Okay, thank you. How much?
Card po, cash.
Card.
30.49.
30. Alright.
This one?
This.
Got a stick in, love?
Oh, yeah.
Anything else dito? Wala na?
Saka na.
You want me to go?
Abo, pansit for you, love. I'll cook you some pansit.
Oh, very lucky.
Yeah. Woo!
Very lucky man.
Your favorite?
Yes, I am. I've got a beautiful wife.
Oh, of course.
Diyos ko dahil nakakaya.
Ganyan din yung asawa ko.
Not my wife.
Subscribe to my channel.
May ano ka pala kita?
Monetize.
Vlogger ka pala?
Yeah.
Oh, congratulations.
Bye-bye. We come back. Okay, we're going to the Pinoy shop. Oh, baby, hold it. I gotta take a photo. There's a chair in front. Oh, keep this
What's this?
for my thumbnail. Happy life. O, diyan muna kayo ha. Saglit lang. Ito nga itong pinatin. My back's still aching, Lavo. It's there.
You want a Panadol when you go home?
Yeah, you have Voltaren? The ointment?
No. Oh, I got the Voltaren tablet.
No, I don't like the tablet. Just the
Tablet's better
ointment.
than the ointment. So what was the lady talking about?
She's telling me to add something on the turon.
The cheese?
Yeah, she's telling me to buy.
The cheese.
Because we have plenty of
I don't
cheese
want
at home.
I don't want cheese on the turon.
Yeah, that's why I told her I have ube. I'm adding ube instead. Yeah, we're going home. We're happy, happy.
See, she knows I'm lucky husband.
No. She now I remember what she told me. You were asking what did she say? She was telling us about when you told me she's beautiful. And then I said, oh, I'm so shy. I said, in Tagalog. And then she told me, oh, my husband like that, ate. She always tell me I'm beautiful.
That's true.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Do you think there's Filipino restaurant here? I think there is. Sky's the limit. Oh, there's a Orcas, Oceanarium, super low, super low. That's where our GP is, right? Over there. Okay. Ito kami sa pinaka-plaza ng St. Mary's. Oops. Wala pa kami isang oras na nagigising, guys. See, they're open even Sunday. We were hurrying up.
Yeah, but it's already after 2 o'clock. They'll shut early.
St. Mary's Village, Woolworths. Kita niya, guys, shopping center.
Yeah, it's a little one.
Kmart. I don't know how I can enter their dumpster bin. I think at the back. Ooh, I now know where it is, my love. I saw the bin.
Okay, you go there. I'll pick you up at the police station.
So maybe I can go dumpstering there.
Yeah.
No, not really dumpstering, but just have a look.
I drop you off and then I'll pick you up at the police station.
Like for the experience.
After they lock you up.
No, it's open.
Oh, yeah.
There's no gate or something. It's open. Ah! I saw one. Let me just use this. Yun. Ah, masakit yung likod ko. Yung dating pilay ko na pagising ko kanina, sakit. Mali kasi yung kabit ng unan ko yan, taas. Lab, this is wrong.
You have something to eat and have a tablet.
Yeah.
Okay?
It's there.
Listen to Dr. Ray. You'll be okay.
This is not my old pain, like the tummy ache. This is my pilay. We call it pilay. I don't know what to call it.
Let's try eggs and pains. Come on.
Don't you have any? Don't you have any?
Yeah, but I don't let them worry me.
But it hurts.
It hurts. So yes, magluluto po tayo ng turon mamaya, guys. It's been a week that my husband didn't eat turon. Now he is craving. Or over a week? I don't think it's more than a week.
No, because the other week I cooked turon for you. Even Alex ate it, you mentioned. But he ate not the cooked one.
Yeah.
But I cooked the banana first. I slightly fried the banana before I'll wrap it up. Kasi
Cut the banana thinner this time. Last time you cut it thick.
thin,
Thinner, yeah.
like smaller cut.
Like Ate Helen.
Ah, yeah. Okay, I'll cut it into. I normally cut it into half.
Yeah, but it's still thick, you know?
Okay, I'll cut it into 3 parts.
Yeah.
3 portion. See, tuturuan pa ako kung paano. He's comparing it to Ate Helen's turon. Yeah, because Ate Helen's turon is the best. Outbeated SM or Save More turon.
When you go back, you have to go see Auntie Helen.
Sure.
Ate Helen and tell her, my husband misses you.
Yeah, I give her chocolate.
If I can just bring Tyrone, but they're not allowing it in the airport. They will lock me up. Arte kasi ng ano rito. Higpet, hindi maarte, but strict. The border force here very strict at the customs. They're not allowing you to have food, especially if it is, you need to declare food. But that will delay you to exit. They don't allow food like with meat, especially pork or anything, and with vegetable or fruits. It's a no-no because they see it as a threat to their existing environment, because they reckon, Australia has a vast supply of fruits and vegetable.
Yeah, but they could introduce a
there
disease or something.
It might be a threat, like there's a pest or anything.
See, because that's what happened to Australia many
ruin.
years ago. See, with the cane toads.
What's that?
They introduced cane toads for the sugar cane to kill the other.
Like the small baby part of the frog.
Then the cane toads become the problem.
Oh, where did they get that?
They got them from.
They should have like started like few like little amount, like for example.
They
10.
did only bring a little bit. But they
Little
thrived.
amount.
They like they're growing and growing in population. They're spreading like crazy.
So did they manage to eradicate everything?
No, it's still a big problem in Queensland.
Really? That's
Yeah.
Ayan na. Yung park dyan, oh. Ganda, diba? Jeep Street. This is Jeep Street. Guys. Yan na natin. Yan, papuntang shopping center. Sa kanan. Sa Cadence.
See, look, that man's got a tempo cage.
What to put inside? Is it like yours? No? Or is it
not
for a
the
dog?
front. At the front, he's got the tempo cage.
For what? For dogs?
Yeah, when his wife is tempo.
Why is this color aluminum? Yours is painted in white.
Mine's aluminium too, but it's painted. That one's not painted.
Ah, okay.
Mine's Montero.
Ah, okay. Pauwi na tayo sa bahay, guys. Maybe I can open the... Hindi naman malamig eh. Meron dyan. Napadpad na ako dyan, no, doon. Nagbas ako one time, bumaba ako. Tapos naghintay ako ng sundo. Open ang bintana, guys. The window is open. Ayun na. Basta na nakasulat. Pasok mo dyan, motorway na yan. Puntang Sydney. Mga 40 minutes lang. Abot or like an hour. Okay, Sydney Airport. Parang NLEX sa atin, gano'n. Yan. Tapos doon, yan. There's a bridge up there where you can walk, pass by, if you are a pedestrian. Yun na minsan I did some walking around the area. Naglakad-lakad ako dyan. Tapos dumaan ako dun. Ayun, dadaanan mo yun, no? Yun sa may maliit na pathway na yun. That's towards the...
And that's where they're building the new train station.
Yeah,
It
towards
goes towards
the bridge.
The airport.
for pedestrian. Ito naman yung Metro Railway. Connected yan sa Western Sydney Airport. Yan, tapat lang namin yan, guys. So yes, yan ang aming mga kapitbahay. Yan, naggagawa busy sila. Ay, ngayon Sunday, they're shut. They're off. Pero madalas busy mga truck dyan. Papasok na kung ano-ano. The train station po. Okay. We're home now. I noticed that bin lang. It's been there. Is it our bin? No. This one is not ours.
No.
Maybe from our neighbor at the back. We're home. Ay, dito nakaparada yung truck ng asawa ko, hindi dun sa
I'm
Wero.
gonna move
The truck. Kasi yan yung madalas nang ginagamit sa biyahe. Oh. Mukhang talaga. I miss riding the truck, my lad.
We might be down to Canberra.
When? Wednesday?
Wednesday.
We always go there Wednesday or Thursday.
Yeah, I think it's Thursday.
Okay. We're here. Yeah, we're home na po, guys. Thank you.
We gotta wash the truck.
The truck? See, that's the Tampa house. You know. Yun. When Ray's cranky, I'm gonna put him there. And there. Here's the garage. So yeah. You get in first. Sunbathing. You remove your...
You're gonna get sunbathing?
Yeah.
What? You're always complaining of your beluga.
But it's cold, so you can't feel anything. We're home. Tadaima. Okay. Still use the tradition. It's accustomed in my Japanese tradition. Whenever we get back home, you say Tadaima. Okay. So kanina kasi guys, mainit sa part na to. So, ang ginawa ko, pinag-sunbathing ko ang aking mga succulent. Yan. Ngayon, ibabalik ko na sila sa kanilang pwesto. What's that, malap? What did you say? You really don't have any Voltaren and ointment? Ang ganda. Oh, yan ang aking mga bagong Baileys. Pansin nyo guys, may isang buwan na itong hindi nadidiligan. Yeah, it's been a month. Pero okay lang sila. Kasi yung mist, hamog ng cold weather, especially sa gabi. This is my flower leaf. Pachyphytum, blue haze, and this one. Ayan. Tapos ko pa ang aking mabigat na ugay. Alright. Ito guys, dyan yan. Yung nabali. Tinusok ko siya doon. Buhay na siya, oh. Kapit na siya. MS space. Wala akong paso guys. Hindi kagaya sa Bataan, kompleto ako ng paraphernalia. May lupa ako, may pots ako. So yan guys. Balik na tayo sa sama. Sara ko lang pinto ko. Ayun. Which one? That's mine.
That's it.
That's my. I place it there.
That's okay. I was just saying.
I put it back. That's my spare.
Yeah.
That's what I've been using last time. Put it there. Okay. How much did we pay up? 34?
Yeah.
Okay, 34 daw. So guys, eto na po tayo ngayon. Namili ako ng liver spread kasi plano ko magluto ng either beef mechada or apritada or whatever. And then nagkikrib ako sa sardines. Philippine sardines.
Skippy one's not good.
Nah, I don't like it. They're so very small. Tas pabalat. This is kamoting kahoy. Oh, frozen. I hope this is not cooked yet. What you doing, lap?
I was looking.
Trying to show them what we got. And this is the main reason why we went to the Filipinos.
Sabah.
Sabah. And I'll cook you pancit one day.
I don't want pancit.
It's small bit.
This is it? Pancit?
Yeah. Sometimes I crave for pancit. When Angela's here. On the weekend.
When
maybe
Angela's
Friday.
here, you
Yeah.
cook the pancit.
I'll cook the pancit.
Because she likes that.
Yeah, because we still have the shrimp there.
Yeah.
Ayan lang po guys. Diyos ko, yan lang. $30 na. 34. Nasa may gitsan libo.
Why so expensive?
Oh, it's you.
You bite.
Okay. Bye-bye guys.
Forget. Say bye-bye.
We're
Don't
ending the
forget.
video now.
Don't forget to like, subscribe. Because
And click.
my wife wants to be the most famous Filipina in Australia. And because she's so beautiful, see?
You're exaggerating it now.
Yeah, my wife's so beautiful. So don't forget, hit the thumbs up.
Hit the notification bell.
Oh yeah, the ding ding.
Ding.
And subscribe. And thank you for watching.
Thank you so much. See you
Okay, bye-bye.
on our next vlog.
Next video.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Stay safe, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye.